Sloths move so slowly that algae grows on them. Imagine a creature so slow it becomes a living canvas for nature's artistry. Sloths, the tree-dwelling mammals, are known for their leisurely pace, hanging upside down in the rainforest. But what sets them apart, in a way that you might not expect, is the algae that thrives on their fur. It's not just a random phenomenon. This algae helps them blend seamlessly into the environment. It's nature's way of protecting them. Sloths are known for moving at an excruciatingly slow pace, around 0.03 miles per hour, which is slower than most people walk. They spend most of their lives hanging in trees, and this slow movement isn't just a quirky trait. It's an adaptive strategy. Their sluggish pace allows them to conserve energy. After all, their diet of leaves is low in calories, and moving slowly helps them avoid expending unnecessary energy. But there's a surprising benefit to this deliberate, snail-like pace. The algae that grows on their fur thrives in the damp, humid rainforest environment. This green, fuzzy growth isn't just some oddity, it serves a protective purpose. The algae helps the sloth blend into the tree canopies, camouflaging them from predators that might otherwise notice them. It's a perfect example of how evolution works hand in hand with behavior. The slower they move, the more the algae flourishes, and the more they're hidden from the watchful eyes of jaguars and other predators. In fact, this unique relationship is more profound than we may realize. Researchers have found that sloths aren't just inadvertently hosting algae. They may actually benefit from the algae growing on them. In a sense, they're not just passive hosts of the algae, but also partners in the ecosystem, providing the algae with a home, and in return, gaining a stealthy advantage over their predators. It's a win-win situation for the sloth. It's also worth noting that sloths are quite picky about their algae. They prefer a specific type, which suggests that this relationship is part of their long history of evolution. The sloth's fur is the perfect habitat for this algae, and the algae, in turn, makes the sloth more difficult to spot. This strategy of slow movement and natural camouflage is one of the many wonders of the animal kingdom. So next time you think of a sloth, remember that it's not just its slow movements that make it special, but the way it blends into its environment, almost hidden by the very algae that grows on its fur. Nature truly has a way of making the slowest creatures the most intriguing. To help the channel grow, remember to like, share, and subscribe.